Eventually, time will come that you will become stable. Kana bitang bata, huwag mo yun sa stages of development. Until eventually, there will come a time na mas strong siya, mas stable siya. Let's understand. It's actually a kind of borrowing the idea from physical evolution. Because of adaptation to the environment, the matter itself has the ability to evolve into something that is stable, adapted to the environment. It has its own inherent ability to adjust and to cope with certain changes. And it is within the matter itself. In this case, it is within the cultural system, it is within the society itself. It has its own ability to develop and to mature. Dapat. Musul po dire, savage rate, barbarism, and civilization. In our case, which stage do you think are we in? Savagery, barbarism, civilization? Sabi ko.
Sabi ko.
Mga barbarians, but they move.
Sila, they feel like...
Mga savage, Kasi ito lang, Savage Garden? Savage Garden.
Yes.
And ako sa itawag mo, noble savage. Savage na naman yan, noble.